A lot of updates with a first floor nice size bedroom with a full bathroom next to it. Here are just a few of the updated: double oven, cooktop stove, granite countertop 2019, garage doors 2019, roof in 2017, hot water tank, sliding glass doors, deck, and upgraded high toilets, and too many to mention. The first floor is all hardwood except first floor bedroom there is a sunroom to enjoy the huge landscaped backyard. Second floor master west/jetted tub and two nice size bedroom and huge frog off of the master. There is a computer room on the second floor. You can stop looking for a first floor for mother/father or for anyone who needs one. Well, here it is. An English tutor with first floor living for in-laws or whoever. Well cared for home with many updated items such as kitchen with new double oven, cooktop stove, granite countertop 2019, new garage insulated doors 2018, new roof in 2017, new low E double hung windows with full screen in 2018, new hot water tank, new sliding glass door, new deck, and new upgraded high toilets, some carpet and two things to mention. The first floor is all hardwood except for the first floor bedroom with a bathroom next to it. Nice sunroom.